Hi guys, I will make a Japanese fried rice topped with Buta using this brown Basmati rice. Here are the ingredients. Come join me in my kitchen and let's start cooking. First, let's mince some garlic and onion. Next, let's cut up the pork. Now it's time to heat the oil in a pan. Let's add the garlic and saute until fragrant. Add red pepper. Add the onions and saute until they are translucent. Time to add soy sauce, the butter, and finally, the meat. Stir fry on high heat for another 40 seconds. When this is done, set the meat aside. Next, let's cook our Japanese fried rice. Heat the oil in a pan. Saute the garlic until fragrant. Add the onions and saute them until translucent. Let's slice some mushrooms and add them to the pan. Let's scramble 2 eggs and add them to the pan. It's time to add those 2 packs of brown basmati rice. Add soy sauce and black pepper. Toss and mix completely until the egg is no longer wet. Lastly, let's add the pre-cooked green peas and toss them in completely. We are now ready to plate. So here is my Japanese fried rice topped with Buta. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and loving the recipe, please be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. This is a great help. And please hit the like with notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys. God bless.